My name is Sylvester Zebo Isaac. I am here to promote my Windows VM server to a domain controller. I'll take you through it now. Come with me. So I'm starting my server. So wait for it to totally load. So it has loaded now. I'm just going to search for server manager here. So here now I'll type server manager to search for it here on the Windows search bar. So I'll open it, wait for it to load. Here you are, server manager loading. Because of network, is taking some time. So here we are. I'll just check for to see there is active directory domain already. There's none because I created this server. None, there's nothing there. I'll just close this pop-up message. Then check, click on tools to check anything like that here. So there's no active directory here, no active directory or anything. If we were created, I think there would have been something like active directory computers on users. Now go to add rows and features. Click on the rows and features. That's where I need to work with according to the instruction. Okay, here show what I want. So select what I need to select. And click next. So click on next. Everything that I need there, I go through them again. I click on next. So I'm to select server from the server pool here highlighted. All right, the next step that I would take is to ensure that the server is highlighted, and I'll click next. This will take me to the next interface where I will select the server rows. That's it here, server rows. I'll select all I need to select here, make sure they are okay, and click next. So bring me to this interface, ensure that is N80 framework, and the other one is group policy management. So once those are done, check here and check here, group policy management. So the next thing is to go to the next stage and next. So we have here, I am seeing ADDS, everything here is all I need. So I just click next to take me to the next step, which is here. At this confirmation interface, I'll just check all I need and make sure that I'll just install it. Install, take me to this point. So it brings me to the results interface. I'll wait for it to install. We'll start installation now. It's installing. I'm seeing the various things that I need. There are different things here. I'm seeing right here. I'm seeing ADDS, seeing every other thing that I need. As I'm scrolling through them to the bottom, I'm seeing everything I need here. There's a flag here. I don't know what this means. Post deployment configuration. Promote server. Okay, I'll come here. I'm supposed to promote my server to a domain controller, so I'll just click that. Okay. I'll select active select active forest. You have I have to add a new forest, add a new this, add a new forest. So I think all I need to do is ensign.cop and send dot corporation. I hope I'm doing the right thing. So next, okay, I have Windows Server 225. I don't need any other one, so I will not have to check anything. But I think we have another one here, 2016, but I don't need that. So return or amended, that's what I need. So the DNS system is checked, the global catalog is checked, and I have to put a password that I will remember. Password I will remember, easily remember. So I'll go to next. At this stage, I enter a password that is not very strong. So it's showing me warning sign. So I will just enter a stronger password. Password. Okay, it's password passed. DNS option next. Design is there, and click next. Okay, the path windows / windows.ntds. Okay, click next again. How to review my options. Click next. Prerequisites for I have to have all checks. Where I am now is the prerequisites check, and I was here for a long time before it logged me out, and it said it is completely here. Right here I have it here, all prerequisite checks successfully. Click install to begin installation. So I'm just going to install the prerequisite. I'll do the other processes. So it's installing. It's still installing. So this is the result. This server was successfully configured as a domain controller. So it's restarting. So well, I'll wait for it to restart. It's restarted now. Oh, I've just experienced another setback. I'll continue. It's restarting. Okay. Mine has restarted. Now I want to show that I have configured. I need to configure here, and the username is ensign slash administrator. So I'm waiting for it to load. I've actually had. Let's see. I need to log in as administrator. So I don't want to check setting. Now what I want to do the terminal to see that is assign slash administrator. So the terminal using PowerShell terminal now. Using PowerShell terminal, wait for it to install. Then I will just type who am I. So it's showing me that I am ensign slash administrator. So that's it. Use command prompt. So who am I? It's there. That's it here. Use assign slash administrator. That's my username, and administrator is here. So that is it. Go to task manager. Before I will show you all the domain, let me use task manager here. I wait for it to load. So I go to users. So it's showing here maximize. It's showing here administrator. User is administrator. So promoted it to that. Close it. Then I'll now go to the server manager to show that the domain name has been changed from what it was, work group, to ensign.corp. Ensign.corp is what I use. Ensign.corp. So I use ensign.corp. So I just wait for it to load here, and this is local. Wait for it to load. It's still group code still loading. So it's the computer name, and this is the domain. The domain is si.corp. So and the container here, if I click on tools and come to Active Directory users and computers that wasn't there before I promoted it. So wait for it to open. Here we are in this container. Here we have it. I click on this and I click properties. I should be able to, yes, it's still here, Ensign domain pre-Windows. So under general, okay, so easy ensign.com. I have work group under it, computers, domain controllers, the container, domain controllers. So this is the computer, this is the domain controller. So user container and all that, domain controller. So this is what I've done. I've made this computer, the server, a domain controller, as is showed here as local. Thank you very much.